When beginning with your delivery, we always want to go over the basics. So we're on the driver's side, and you want to start with your lock and your unlock button. Then the numbers beside it, the 1, 2, and 3. This is your seat savings, and you can save your seat preferences up to 3 drivers. Below here on the door, you have your window controls for the front windows and the back windows, and above that you have a button that has an X on it, and this controls the locks on your back windows, so you can actually lock your back windows to where they cannot be rolled down from the back seat. Beside it, in some higher packages, you can have power folding mirrors, and so just by clicking the power folding mirrors, the mirrors will fold in and out. And above the arrow pad, you can select your mirror and adjust the mirror to your preference. Over here you have your light panel. You have your running lights, and then inside your interior light button here. Then you have a knob that controls your headlights, and we have it set to automatic, and this means that the lights will remain on as long as your vehicle is running. Beside that, you have your dashboard lights, and this controls the brightness or the dimness of the dashboard to your preference. And below you will see your power liftgate button as well as your trailer tow package button. Going over your steering wheel, on the right hand side behind the steering wheel, you will find your windshield wiping control. You have your front and rear windshield wipers. Then you have a series of arrows on your steering wheel. This controls the right hand side of the display on your dashboard. Below that you have your volume control and your phone controls. Moving to the left hand side, you have a series of arrows that control the left side display on your dashboard, and below that you have your cruise control and your adaptive cruise control settings. Behind your steering wheel on the left hand side, you have your bright lights, your turn signal, as well as your lane keeping assist. Your lane keeping assist comes in some higher packages, and that alerts you when you are moving in and out of your lane improperly. Next, we're going to go over the climate control and sound panel, but first we're going to go up top here, and in some higher packages you may have a front end camera, and you simply press the camera button, and on the screen the front end of your vehicle displays, and then by pressing it again, a wider view. You may also have park assist, and you can turn that on or off by pressing the button. Below the screen, you'll find your hazard lights, and then you find your sound button. And the sound button pulls up your sound settings on the screen, and you can adjust those to your preference. And then you have your mute button. Coming down here, you have your seek and your tune and your volume control. Over to the left, you have your auto, your max defrost, and your rear defrost. And to the right, you have your air conditioning, your max AC, your circulation, and your dual control air or heat. And basically what this means is that your passenger can control their climate. You also have your heating and cooled seats, your temperature controls for passenger and driver side, your fan speed, and your climate control on or off switch here.